Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and if you think I'm holding a body towel, well, be surprised. This is the Gilden Tree Waffle Weave hand towel. You can see by its texture why it's called waffle weave. Now, these have been washed already. The company says after you wash them, there might be some shrinkage, but so far they're still such a beautiful, large hand towel, and they can be used for so many things. First off, I love that the company sends directions on washing and what to expect. They're very transparent and they're just a beautiful company. Next, these are lint free. They absorb water wonderfully. They're great for wiping up spills. I use them in the bathroom. They're great for polishing my faucets, wonderful for drying my hands, and they're even large enough to put my hair up in. So versatile and just such a beautiful color. This is the seafoam green. I also have their white hand towels as well, and they complement each other quite nicely. This has a little watermark from where I was drying my sink, but they dry super quick as well, and that's because they have that nice thin texture. If you're looking for a hand towel that is super versatile, you can use it for so many things, I definitely would recommend these, and that is my point of view.